Ito, positive day, Gidibers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang Friday morning sa lahat ng Gidibers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Alright, so mas masaya kung kasama ka sa Asia Pacific. So ito po ang ating costume for this summer. Green and yellow. So sa lahat mga gusto mag-enroll from preschool, elementary, junior high school, senior high school, and college. So, may message lang po kayo sa akin or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. And doon sa mga gusto magpa-coach online and personal and magpa-advertise ng business nila sa aking bagong website. And mag-message lang din po kayo. Alright, so, this is my own formula para kayo maman. So, umagang kay ganda, di ba? Umagang pwede kang magsimula ulit. Okay? Pwede mo simulan ang journey mo, kung paano madagdagan ang income mo, kung paano ka umasenso at umunlad at higit sa lahat, your journey sa tinatawag nating financial freedom. Alright, so ano ba yung formula? Sa dami po ng mga formula na nabanggit natin, nabanggit ko na si Grant Cardone, Ty Lopez, Boss Sanchez, Dan Locke, and other experts. Yan, aralin natin siguro iba-ibang financial formula. Napatay dito sa mga libro natin. Okay. So, meron akong nakita, I summarize it into 3. Ito yung tinatawag kong CSB. Yan. CSB. CSB formula. So, ito yung makapagpaahon sa iyo mula dun sa from poor to middle class or middle class to rich. Right? So, kaya pakisara mo yung pintuan. Okay. So, number 1, yung C stands for career. Right? So, actually, your career can contribute para kayo maman. Yung, kung ano meron ka ngayon na work, okay, it can be your career, and pwede kang yumaman dyan. And Doc, di paano na, minimum lang ang sweldo ko, and break even lang, di ba? Alright, so, ganito gagawin natin. Mula dyan sa minimum, sa break even na sweldo mo, you do something different, right? Put extra effort, extra concern sa iyong company. It works, right? So, mahalin mo yung work mo. Okay? Mahalin mo yung kinalalagyan mo ngayon. Have a concern. Magpakita ka ng, sabi nga, magpakita tayo ng gilas or magpakita ka ng kakaibang attitude dyan mismo sa workplace mo. Right? So, ito, what will happen? What will happen? So, ganito. Number 1, alam mo, yung mga boss, pag nakita kang you are exerting effort, you're doing something different, you're helping the company, you're producing results. Alright? So, I think walang boss na pag hindi nakita yan, hindi ka i-raise ang your salary. Or you will be promoted. Or you will be given incentive. Okay? And to receive an additional salary of, let's say, 3,000, that's something. Okay? That's something. Diba? Or to be given an incentive of 5,000 a month. Lalo doon sa malalaking company, di ba? Or to be promoted and an increase of, let's say, 5 or 7,000 can help you a lot. Alright? So, that's 1. Career. Love your career. Right? So, yun yung, like now, you know, at present, I'm still a full-time principal and a full-time dean of academic affairs. Okay? I'm not leaving my post. I'm not resigning. So, doon sa mga nagme-message sa akin, Doc, hindi nagre-resign ka na daw. No, I'm not resigning. Alright? Because this career helped me. Hindi man siya yung naging talagang reason ng ating papunta sa pagyaman. Okay? But it helps me, it gives me, you know, something like to sustain all my needs with my needs of my family. Okay? And yung salary ko po dito ay compared sa ibang salary, other principals dito sa province natin, it's higher, right? So, because I've given concern, alam mo, naging policy ko when I'm working, I will not say no to my boss. Okay, so sa lahat ng mga hindi lilipat niya sa akin saan department tayo magpunta and everything. So, okay lang. Go lang ng go, okay? So, work on your career, alright? So, do what is needed, what is required. So, gawin natin, alright? And second, kung if it will not work, tingin mo talaga, Doc G, hindi talaga eh. Kahit anong gawin ko, bingi, pipi, o bulag yung boss ko. Hindi niya makita na masipag ako, hindi niya makita kung pinakamaagang pumapasok, hindi niya makita yung malasakit ko, yung nag-i-increase ng results yung aking yung aming department, mahusay. So wala akong incentive and everything. So if not, okay, dagdagan natin ng S. So from career, let's see, yung S natin is sales. Go to sales. Alright? So you sell something. Pwede mo siyang part-time or mag-full-time. Pwede kang mag-shift ng career. So kung your career, di mo walang progress, wala talaga. So, pwede kang magpalit, alright? Pwede mo idagdag to, itong sales, o kaya naman ay, kung ayaw mo, palitan mo na yung career mo. Di ba? So, go to sales. Sell something. What you're going to do is ganito. So, ito yung sales na sinasabi ko is getting commission, okay? You go to different companies na nangailangan sila ng salesperson, okay? You apply. Then, work at least 2 hours a day to do this, okay? So, kung may real estate yan, products, beauty products, and everything. So, punta ka lang, then, you'll get commission, okay? Hindi mo alam, bigla na lang, may bumili pala ng property, may bumili ng mo, di ba? Tinuro mo yung company na mag-promote, so ito na, di ba? You know how much I'm receiving from my commission from different companies? You can't imagine it. So, that's sales. I'm selling their products, their services, so I get commission. So you go to that or make it as your part-time. It will make you rich. You can't imagine na ito pala yung kaya kong kuhanin. Ito pala yung kaya kong ma-receive a month in 2 months. Just a few days ago, I went to one company. So, tininan ko yung commission ko. Wow. Okay. So, then, dun sa isa monthly, I'm selling their products. Nasa website ko po ang kanilang products. Tina-advertise ko sila. Diba? So, Doc G, wala akong platform, wala akong YouTube channel. So, it doesn't matter. Meron kang FB account, meron kang gawa ka ng FB page mo, di ba? I even watch, I saw one post or FB channel, FB page. Ang page niya for lahat ng gusto magbenta ng mga house and lot, ginawa niya naman page. So, do something, like, you go to sales. Yan talaga kasi alam mo sa sales, unlimited kasi pwede mong pwede mong kitain dyan, di ba? Unlimited. And it will only takes you 2 hours of your day. Di ba? So, something like that. Alright? So, that's S, sales. Okay? So, C, career. S, sales. And B, business. Nothing beats business pa rin tayo. Alright? So, para kayo mama, this is my formula. When I do my business, my YouTube channel, yung iba, sabi nila, it's not a business. Para sa akin, my YouTube channel, I treat it as a business. Okay? So, para sa akin, ito siya, business ko tong YouTube channel ko. This is sabi ko nga, business to business. So, marami nagpapa-advertise ng business. At mula dito sa business, dito sa YouTube ko, marami nagkaroon ng business. Alright? So, kaya ang pangalan ko when they are asking me, ano yung YouTube channel mo, Doc G, what's your content? It's a business channel, right? So, Doc G, paano ako mag-business? Number 1, huwag ka na lumayo, di ba? You use your skill, provide services. Like me, I can teach. So, I do public speaking. I speak to different seminar. By the way, sa BNHS tayo, Bata National High School, this 16, So, see you there. Managing personal finances, right? Okay, whole day daw to po tayo dyan. So, whole day nyo ako makakapiling dyan. So, we will rock Bataan National High School. Alright, okay. So, that's user skills. So, I do coaching, I do speak, I vlog. These are my skills. Alright, so, ano ba yung skill meron ka? Use that. Doktor yung hirap eh. Hindi ko alam paano magsisimula. Yung mga kino-coach ko, minsan naguguluhan. Pick one muna. Isa muna. Subukan mo muna. Diba? One at a time. Right? So, second, you can do e-commerce. Right? So, like now, I'm running my website. So, nagsimula pa lang naman tayo. If you want to advertise sa aking website, may pag-usap lang po kayo sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. So, yan, so yung e-commerce natin, running na siya ngayon. So you can have your e-commerce like, you can have your online business, YouTube channel, website, diba? So I can help you on that. So at least, hindi ako, I have my team, I hire a team, I have a group na can help you for this. Okay? And third na business mo is real estate. Alright? So ito yung isa sa magandang pwede natin gawin. Okay? So, like now, antabay lang po, lahat ng mga gusto mag-join sa akin, mag-share sa aking first real estate business na I'll be building a house na bebenta natin. Naghanap lang po kami ng magandang location so that mabenta natin ng mas ng maayos, okay? So that you can have your sales na maayos din, alright? Okay, so yun po yung sinasabi natin na what we can do is kung wala kang puhunan, di ba? Ano ba? You can have it loan. Kung calculate mo kung magkano kikitain mo versus maglo-loan ka, di ba? So pag-usapan mo ng business partner mo, di ba? Usapin mo kung pwede kayong group, 5 persons, di ba? So, walang imposible basta gusto nyo. Find a concept, bumili kayo ng lote, di ba? Kung meron kayong pera, then mag-loan kayo, hati-hati kayo, di ba? Then pagawa, then benta, then ganun lang ulit. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Ako nga, basta I'll be doing this, okay? Steady lang po kayo. Alright, so, yan yung mga G-Libers kung gusto mong yumaman. Yung status mo sa buhay mo ngayon, apply mo CSB. Career, Sales, and Business. Yan pa din. That's CSB. Alright, so if you want to be coached by me, doon sa mga nagsasabi, Doc G, sobrang mahal mo naman. May mga nagko-comment. Ganito lang naman po yan eh. It's choice nyo naman po kung if you want to to be coached by me or not. Kung saan loob po yan. And doon sa mga di talaga afford yung aking fee, nagbibigay naman ako ng kung talagang wala silang pera, nakikiusap, gusto na akong tawagin, may mga cases na I give it for free. Kung alam ko naman ang status at tatanungin ko, ano po ba yung hanap buhay nyo? Meron lang po akong maliit na, okay, so iba naman, discounted. So, and besides, kaya pinaninindigan ko po yung fee ko, I think that's my word. That's my word, right? And yun ang kaya kong gawin sa buhay mo. Yun ang kaya kong itulong sa'yo. I can help you. Alright? So, sa akin, it's just fair to pay me like that, okay? Pati sa seminar, nagugulat sila, Doc G, ang rate mo, 25,000? Ganyan ba talaga yung rate mo, Doc G? And that's my word. That's my word, alright? So, wala tayong doon. Kahit naman siya yung speaker, pwede niyang presyo ang sarili niya, 50,000, walang problema. Tingin niya, yun yung word niya eh. Di ba? So, wala po tayong And doon sa mga gusto mapang, Doc G, may kulang sa sinabi mo sa YouTube, mag-message lang kayo sa akin. I can guess you. Yeah, may isa na nakakausap. Gusto ko pag-uwi niya. May isa YouTube channel. So, guess ko po siya. So, sabi niya, Doc, ganito, meron akong gustong i-add. So, something like that. Nag-usap lang tayo na maayos. Okay? So, lahat po kayo na nanonood na YouTube channel, whether nasisiyahan kayo o hindi, nainis or what. So, I still want to say thank you for everyone. Because, in a way, nakatulong kayo sa akin. And, actually, mga sinasuggest niyo po minsan na, ganito, Doc, ganito. Pinag-usapan namin ng team ko. So, kung may merit naman, ginagawa namin. Like, may isang kong ginawa na sinuggest ng ating, isa sa mga, hindi naman siya haters, hindi naman siya bashers. Tingin ko, gusto niya lang ako mag-improve, right? Salamat sa inyo, salamat sa inyo. So, ito, in-apply ko, sinabi ko sa aking assistant, because I'm not doing it. I'm not a technical person. I have my team. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, it's important na meron po kayong team. They can help you, okay? Bumuka, 2, 3, iba-iba yung skills nyo. Maganda po yan, alright? So, yun, okay? So you just message me para mag-guest ko po kayo sa aking YouTube channel. And I can visit your place, di ba? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin, kahit OFW dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago tumulad na ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, G-Libers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!